If you want to enable USB debugging on the Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, we're gonna open settings on our phone. Here, scroll all the way down, and first we need to enable developer options. So choose About Phone, then Software Information, and keep tapping on the build number until you need to enter your screen lock password. Then you will see this message that developer mode has been turned on. So we're gonna go back to settings. However, before we go to the developer options, you will have to disable auto blocker if it's enabled if you want to enable USB debugging. Otherwise, you will not be able to do so. So we're gonna choose security and privacy. In here, you can find the auto blocker. So when it's enabled, we need to tap on the switcher to turn it off. There we go. Then we can go back to settings again. Finally, we're gonna choose developer options, and then here scroll down a little bit, and you can find USB debugging. So you can tap on the switcher and allow USB debugging by pressing OK. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.